Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Maisara binti Muhammad Fauzi. My number matric is 221753. I am from section 705. So today I'm going to be presenting about my topic, that is water pollution. What is water pollution? Water pollution is a serious environmental issue. Water is said to be polluted if physical, biological, and chemical properties are deteriorated via anthropogenic and natural activity. Water pollution has applied to the life of humans and animals in all aspects. Water pollution is very hazardous to the environment. We know that pollution is a human problem because it is related to recent development in the planet history. Before the 19th century Industrial Revolution, people lived more in harmony with their immediate environment. As industrialization has spread around the globe, so the problem of pollution has spread with it. When its population was much smaller, no one believed pollution would ever present a serious problem. It once popularly believed that the ocean were far too big to pollute. Today, with around 7 billion people on the planet, it has become apparent that they are limits. Pollution is one of the signs that humans have exceeded those limits. Water pollution in Malaysia was a major issue that endangered water supply. In 2019, hazardous chemical contamination in the game reef in Pasir Gudang Johor affected approximately 20,000 homes. Moreover, from March 18 to May 4, 2020, there were 160 record instances of river contamination.
So, what are the causes of water pollution? There are many causes of water pollution, but in this slide, I will focus on two of the major ways that water can become polluted. The improper disposal of solid waste is a major source of water pollution. Solid waste include garbage, rubbish, electronic waste, trash, and construction and demolition waste, all of which are generated by individual, resident, commercial, institution, and industrial activity. Next, the age-old phrase that water and oil is used when describing two things that do not mix easily or at all. Just as the saying states, water and oil do not mix, and oil does not dissolve in water. Large oil spill and oil leak, while after accident, are a major cause of water pollution. In sociology perspective, this problem can categorize as a functionalism. It is because population and the environment affect each other. Normal population growth is essential for any society, but population growth that is too great or too little leads to various problems. Environmental problems are to be expected in an industrial society, but several environmental problems are dysfunctional. It can be proved by a functionalist perspective. On the perspective of functional Hawken, he said when it first began, industrialization entered a society that had fewer people, less material well-being, and abundant natural resource. But modern industrialization used more resource to make few people more productive, and as a result, more people are chasing fewer natural resource. On the perspective functionalist, Paul Ehrlich and Anne Ehrlich, they said, contend that the impact of any human group on the environment is the product of three different factors. First is the population, second is the average person consumption of resource or level of affluence, and third is the amount of damage caused by technology. So how can we stop water pollution? First is education. Making people aware of the problem is the first step to solving it. In the early 1990, when surfers in Britain grew tired of catching illness from water polluted with sewage, they formed a group called Surfers Against Sewage to force a government or water company to clean up their act. Second is in economy. Most environmental experts agree that the best way to tackle pollution is through something called the polluter pay principle. This means that whoever causes pollution should have to pay to clean it up, one way or another. Ultimately, the polluter pay principle is designed to deter people from polluting by making it less expensive for them to behave in an environmentally responsible way. As a result, we can work together to keep the environment clean so the plants, animals, and people who depend on it remain healthy. Working together, we can make pollution less of a problem and the world a better place.